Welcome back. Let's start with this section on Java platform, and let's start with the first question. Why is Java so popular? There are a number of programming languages, C, C++, Java, and a lot of things which came after Java. Why is it that Java is the most popular of all the languages? Why is it that Java is the one which is used to develop enterprise applications for the big part? I mean, not all applications are developed using Java, but a huge majority of the applications are built with Java. Why? The first reason why I think Java is very popular is because of its feature called platform independence. Once you have a Java executable, that's a jar file, you can run it on any operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac, or whatever operating system. So once you write a program somewhere, you can take it and run it in any place. That's platform independence, and that's one of the main reasons why Java is very popular. The other reason I think is because Java is an object-oriented language. Object-oriented programming results in much maintainable code than structured programming. We would discuss these two things in detail in later sections. I think the two reasons are basically platform independence and the fact that Java is an object-oriented programming language. The next question we would want to discuss is, what is platform independence and how does Java achieve it? Those are the two things we would discuss now. As we discussed in the previous question, platform independence is basically the fact that I can build a Java program anywhere and I would be able to run on any other operating system. That's basically what platform independence is. That's basically called build once, run anywhere. So you build it once, anywhere, whether it's Windows, whether it's Unix, whether it's Mac, you build it anywhere, and then you would be able to run that program in all other operating systems. The question is, how does Java achieve platform independence, right? So how does Java ensure that you are able to run your Java program anywhere? One of the important things to understand is that the executable code is different in different operating systems. The executable code in Unix is different from the executable code in Windows. However, the Java code that we write, typically we write Java code in .java files, right? So the Java code is the same. So with the same Java code, how are we able to get to different executable codes in different operating systems? That's the primary question with platform independence. The answer to that is in a Java concept called JVM, Java Virtual Machine. When I compile Java code, we get something called .class files. The .class files contain something called bytecode. Bytecode is basically a Java internal representation. The magic of the JVM is the fact that it can convert bytecode to executable instructions in that particular operating system. So a Unix JVM can convert bytecode to executable instructions on Unix. Windows JVM would be able to convert bytecode to executable instructions on Windows. And similarly, the JVMs in other operating systems. Basically, the fact is that the JVMs in different operating systems are different, but they are having one thing in common. That's basically the fact that they can understand Java bytecode. So the Java virtual machine basically converts the bytecode to executable instructions of that specific operating system. So Java achieves platform independence by having this intermediate format called bytecode, which is understandable by different JVMs. So the JVMs in different operating systems are able to understand this bytecode and convert the bytecode to executable instructions in that specific operating system. To summarize, Java achieves platform independence through two important concepts. One is the intermediate representation called the bytecode. Your .class files contain bytecode. The second important thing is the Java virtual machine. The Java virtual machine in any specific operating system will be able to convert bytecode to executable instructions of that operating system. So even though the executable instructions of Unix are different from that of Windows, the way Java achieves platform independence is having a different JVM for Unix and a different JVM for Windows. However, the common things for those two JVMs is the fact that they both understand bytecode and they would convert this bytecode to the executable instructions of that specific operating system.